Hello, I'm Jonathan. Hope you're all keeping well, keeping safe. I have a gentleman with me, and he's called Seedy Atkins. I don't know why they call him Seedy, and he's not telling me. He's an East End boy, and he said he came from. He lived. All right, okay. He says he was born down the Old Kent Road in London, but he lived down Holloway Road, and he was a safecracker, a very good one by all accounts. He passed into the world of spirit through a stomach problem. I get the feeling that he passed with a cancerous condition to the stomach and intestine. And okay, he says he was a heavy smoker. I mean that that might not have anything to do with it, but that's what he's telling me to say. He says he provided for Cheryl or Shirley. He's Cheryl, and right, and two kids. Jess and Nige. Jess and Nige, which I take it's Jessica and Nigel. Them's his two kids. He says he provided for them because it was only a job. Right. Okay. He says that he cracks safes for a living, safety deposit boxes, doors, strong boxes, you name it, he could crack it. Says he didn't need any explosives. He were a locksmith. No. And any locks he could crack. He said, right, okay. He says he knew all the greats. And I take it means within that fraternity. Is that what you mean? Yeah. He knew all the greats, and he says that the 60s and the 70s were the golden age. 50s, 60s and 70s were the golden age. Right, okay. He says although he went to Parkhurst for a bit. He says for a holiday. Right. All right. He says for a holiday with care of or with compliments from Her Majesty. So he's actually a nice energy. He's a lovely man. He says if he had his time again, he wouldn't have bothered. He would have stayed being a locksmith. But at that time there wasn't enough money around, and he got asked to do certain jobs, which he did, and he came very highly recommended. But his father was a locksmith, and his father was a locksmith, and it goes back generations. He bought a villa in Spain, lived in Spain, in near Malaga, and which is one of the islands off. It's Ibiza, not Ibiza. It's Majorca, I think it is. Anyway, that's where he's at. He's left his wife and his kids and various accounts which he's provided for with his absence. But he's just trying to get a message to them that he's okay. he's been into hospital and his condition's been healed, and he's perfectly fine. He says, I'm on the straight and narrow now. I'm saying it like he's saying it to me. He's on the straight and narrow now, so he can see life is a bit better, and obviously with the money provided for his family, their life is a bit better also. But this is, it's only a job. Right. He says, right, I'm off to get some sun. Anyway, on that note, he's disappearing now, so he's as he said, he's going to get some sun. And oh well, okay. Right, it says take care and be lucky, and that's exactly as he said it. And on that note, anyway, he's bless him, he's gone. God bless him, and God be with his family. And I hope you enjoy this one. I certainly have. The energy from this man was absolutely brilliant. So thank you for that. And we'll leave it there, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay. Hope you enjoy these videos, and hope you'll enjoy the ones. Well, I hope that there's plenty more to come, because I never know when these things are going to come through. So they just take me by surprise, and that's it. Anyway, I'll speak to you on the next one. God bless you all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.